In this demonstration, I'm going to apply a morph to my poster. Everyone's process and result will be slightly different, so make sure you customize this technique to your own poster. My intent here is to show you an approach to how I would incorporate a morph transition into my poster design. To animate the box on screen, I used a little trim path. Now, to transition it, I will morph it. You can morph any shape layer with the technique I will show you. If you have a letter form that you want to morph, then make sure you convert it to a shape. The first step is to open the path of my box. I drew this as a parametric shape, and to create a morph, I will need a single path line of a Bezier shape. So right-click on the shape and convert it to Bezier path. Now I have a single path line. At the point that I want to start my morph, I will make a keyframe. Then I'll advance my playhead forward a few frames, however long I want my morph transition to take, and make another keyframe as a placeholder. Now we need another path to paste onto this path line. To make this new path, I'm going to make a new shape layer. Go to Layer, New, Shape Layer. Now I will draw my circle on this layer. Let's get it in the position that I want it to be in at the end of the transition. I've drawn this as a parametric shape, so I'm going to convert it to a Bezier by right-clicking on it and selecting Convert to Bezier. Now I'll make a keyframe on this path line. Select the keyframe and copy it with Command-C on a Mac. Then, select the second keyframe on the box path line. This is important. You don't want to paste it anywhere else other than the box path line. And paste with Command-V on a Mac. I don't need the circle layer anymore, so I'll take the visibility off of it. You can also delete it. I have all the path info on the path line of my box layer. As the box morphs into the circle, it shifts position. This is unavoidable. To fix it and keep everything in place, I'm going to use some position keyframes right over top of these path keyframes on the box layer. Jump to the first path keyframe, the start of my morph. Type P on the keyboard to bring up just position, and click the stopwatch to create a keyframe on the position property line. Type U to show just the property lines with keyframes on them. Then jump to the second keyframe of the morph. I'm going to use the Align menu and align the circle horizontally. Now the morph is centered. Here is my finished morph. I combined the morph of the box of the circle with an exit animator on the bounce text and a position and scale change on the swoosh. Customize this technique for the content of your poster. Have fun and experiment with this smooth motion graphics transition.